frying cauliflower, green bell pepper, and also carrots and potatoes. I already half fried this one. Garlic is already brown. Now I have to put now this marinated slices of chicken breast. So I'll put now. Now let's check. Chicken is already cooked. Now we have to put now this half fry carrots, potatoes, cauliflower, and bell pepper. Now put some soy sauce, and then some salt. Supposed to be this chicken slices of chicken. I have to cook chicken tapa, but I cook this way. I add more vegetables. So this is chicken breast with vegetable saute. No, saute, not stew, not saute. And then I have also extra for I cook before. I think extra before, so later I will add also this one cabbage. Now we have to cover, and then we have to put some sauce or gravy. Now let's check again. Now we can put now some gravy or sauce. Enough sauce for this chicken with vegetable stew. Now let's check again. So this is already cooked and this gravy is enough. So I will transfer now this one in another container because I have to cook another recipe, which is potatoes curry. Because I will use also again this casserole. I saute garlics, onions, then I put this one liver of chicken, 1 piece liver of chicken, and then this bell pepper. Now I have to put masala here. This is free from macaroni. That's enough. And then salt. I have to put salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we can put now this boiled pasta or macaroni. This is Pakistani version. Instead of macaroni sweet, so we are uh, cooking this way, this version. Done cooking white rice, potatoes curry, and chicken with vegetables stew, macaroni, and there is also extra yesterday. This is chicken clay. Cooking or frying now pakoras. Update weather in my village, Creek, Rawlakot, Azad, Kashmir. Today is March 3 and today is Monday. Time check Pakistan time is 4:45 p.m. It's very bad weather, so it's becoming cold again. And last night it was raining continue until now, but not too much rain, only like this. Very nice, these cherry blossoms of plums. And as you can see over there, that is cherry blossoms, flowers of almonds. Today is second day of Ramadan fasting. It's mild snow falling, as you can see over there. Time check, Pakistan time is 7:30 p.m. Now it's time for Isha Namaz. That is Rawlakot city over there. You see, that's why too much cold. And last night it's raining until now. Now, few minutes ago, now this snow is falling. Ayan, oh. Unexpected heavy snow in spring season. Today is March 3 and time check Pakistan time is 9 p.m. And today is Monday, second day of fasting. Before 1.5 hours ago, I have video. I think it's a mild snow, but now it's heavy snow.